Hi guys and welcome back in MedicalScribe. In this video we will talk about the integumentary system from an anatomical point of view. The integumentary is derived from a Latin word which is the integumentum, that's mean covering. So we can conclude that the integumentary system is a set of structures that will make the outermost layer of the body. And from the integumentary system, the dermatology arises, which is also derived from a Greek word dermatos, which means the skin. So the dermatology is the branch of the internal medicine that deals with the skin diseases and its appendages, of course. So this is a brief history about what we will studying. Alright, let's go back to our integumentary system. This system is structured mainly from two structures, which are the skin and the skin appendages. And the skin appendages consist of many structures, which are the hair, the nails, the sweaty glands, and the sebaceous glands. All these structures will be explained with all its details in the upcoming videos. This integumentary system generally considered as physical barrier between the external environment and the internal environment. What this barrier do is to provide the protection and the maintenance to the body. This is the main idea of the big picture of the integumentary system function. And as we said, the integumentary system composed of two structures, the skin and the skin appendages. Every one of these two structures have a specific function that we will know them later. But as a result, they will achieve the big picture of the integumentary system function, which are the protection and the maintenance. So that was almost everything about the integumentary system. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video and goodbye.